Introducing the Willoughby WICS Series Infection Control Sink. The ADA-compliant fixture is specifically designed to minimize splashing and reduce the spread of infectious disease. The WICS features an offset drain to prevent aerosolizing the trapped contents during use by creating an indirect drain path. A standard antimicrobial drain and tailpiece to minimize colonization of bacteria in the trapway. Willoughby AquaSurf solid surface material providing a durable one-piece seamless construction that is easily cleaned and maintained. AquaSurf solid surface is available in 9 standard color options. An oversized backsplash, side guards, and deep basin to keep water contained within the fixture, minimizing cross-contamination. A lavatory deck that accommodates a variety of hands-free IR and wrist blade faucets. A Type 304 polished stainless steel shroud and pedestal provides a high level of durability, security, and cleanliness for a variety of healthcare applications.